In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email sequence on Mailchimp for 2025. Knowing how to effectively set up automated email sequences can be a game changer for building relationships with your audience. So, let's walk through these steps to get you started. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're on the right page because this is where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in and have access to the Mailchimp dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Automations. Click on that and we'll be on our way to setting up your email sequence. After selecting Automations, look for the option that says Customer Journeys. This is what Mailchimp calls their email sequences, and it's loaded with tools to help tailor your emails to your subscribers' actions and behaviors. Click on Create Journey, and when prompted, choose Create from Scratch. This option gives you full control to customize your sequence according to your specific needs. Next, you'll want to name your journey. Consider what you want this sequence to accomplish. Names like Welcome Series or Lead Nurturing are popular choices because they clearly describe the goal of the emails contained within the sequence. Once you've named your journey, it's time to select your audience from the drop-down menu. This allows us to define who will be receiving these emails. Now, let's choose a trigger for your email sequence. Triggers are events or conditions that start your automated emails. Some common choices include when someone signs up for your list, when a tag is added, or when a specific date is reached. Choose a trigger that aligns with your goals, and once you've done that, configure the trigger details and click Continue. You'll now notice a plus icon which allows us to add actions to our journey. Click this to select Send Email and get started on your first message. Mailchimp provides a user-friendly drag and drop editor which you can use to customize your email. Of course, if you prefer, you can also start from a template. When crafting your email, you mustn't forget to include compelling subject lines, engaging body content, eye-catching images, and clear call to action buttons. Once you're happy with your first email, consider timing. Click the plus once more to add a delay between your emails. This delay could be 1 day, 2 days, or whatever suits your sequence goals best. Continue adding emails and delays in this manner until your sequence is complete. Testing is a crucial step. Use Mailchimp's preview or send test email features to ensure everything looks just right and is functioning as expected. Once you're satisfied that everything is set up correctly, you're ready for the final step. All that's left to do is click Start Journey, and your email sequence will be live and ready to nurture your audience automatically. Enjoy your newly automated email communication.